If you want to know how I create this petal rose, watch this video to the very end. This is my flat mat, my petal. The white stuff you are seeing there is our marco. Then your machine thread, bishop, you can use any cup of your choice. All right, so let's get down to the stuff. Welcome to Shine channel. If you're coming across this video if you're coming across my channel for the first time, you know what to do. Please kindly subscribe to my channel. All right, click on the notification bell to be notified each time I uploaded a new video. Do not forget to like this video. Tell me what you think on the comment section, please. By liking this video, it will encourage YouTube algorithm to push my video to more audience. All right, you can also share it to your family and friends. Everything I did here is well explained. Please watch this video to the end. Do not skip any of this video, because if you skip, now you go lost. All right, and for my beautiful family, my old subscribers, I want to say a very big thank you for sticking with us. Happy New Year to you all. I know it has been long I posted, but not to worry, something does come on, but now I am okay. Just get ready to be receiving a banger design this year 2026. Just get ready. Okay, so at this junction, I decided to top it some beautiful design, you know, just to make it look so classic. Remember, my duty is to bring out the beautiful in you. All right, so I just decided to top it some, you know, some feathers, just a little, so that it will not be too common. All right, so if you have watched to this level and you have not liked this video, or you have not subscribed, I don't know what you are waiting for. Please, the only way you can support my ministry, my small page, is subscribe. Like is very important. Tell me what you think about this petal flower you are just watching now. Tell me what you think on the comment section. It's very important. And in case if you want me to drop any design, you can also drop this on the comment section. I promise to be reading and also respond, and also bring out that thing you want me to teach. All right, so let me leave you all to enjoy the full video. See you guys in my next video. Please click on the notification bell to be notified, to be the #1 person to watch any banger video I'll be dropping soon. All right, see you guys in my next video. I love you girl. Have a nice day. Bye. Mwah.